Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Uhayyikum tahiyatal islamiyah wa tahiyatal mubarakah wa tahiyatal ahlil iman wa tahiyatuhum fiha assalam. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Alhamdulillahilladzi ja'ala al-qalam lil kitabah wal kitabah lil qiraah wal qiraata lil ma'rifah wal ma'rifata lil ibadah wal ibadah lillahi ta'ala. The Excellency, our beloved father, Kiai Muhammad Najahul Umam, as a leader of Islamic Boarding School Hasan Jufri, the Honorable Mr. Muhammad Basni, as coordinator of ICT Senior High School Hasan Jufri, the respectable all of teachers here, and all of my friends whom I love. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Firstly, let's thank you Allah, the kings of the king, the Lord of the world, who has been giving us some mercies and blessings, so we can attend this place together without any trouble and obstacle. Secondly, my peace and salutations always be given to our Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, the best people in the world, the greatest leader ever and forever, who has carried us from the darkness to the lightness, from bad era to the good era, from stupidity to the cleverness. Thirdly, I don't ever forget to say thank you so much to the Master of Ceremony who has been giving me time to speak in front of you. Dear ladies and gentlemen, globalization brings both the challenges and opportunities for students. The question is, are you ready to face them? Let's find out. So, today, I want to talk about the challenges and opportunities that students face in world that is becoming increasingly globalized. Globalization, with all its advancement in technology, communications, and culture, has transformed the way we live, learn, and interact. On one hand, it brings tremendous opportunities, but on the other hand, it also presents significant challenges. As students, we are at the heart of this global transformation, and it is crucial to understand what the benefits and obstacles that come with it. Let's start with the challenges. One of the main challenges students face today is the overwhelming amount of information. The internet has opened up vast resource of knowledge, but it's easy to get lost in the sea of information. Sorting through reliable and credible sources has become an essential skill. We must learn not only to absorb knowledge, but to think critically and evaluate information effectively. Another challenge is the pressure to compete on global scale. Globalization means that students are not just competing with their peers in their own country, but with young people from all around the world. This brings about high expectations, leading to stress and burnout. The pressure to success, often driven by social media and academic standards, can take a toll on mental health. Balancing academic demands with personal well-being is a challenge that many students struggle with today. However, with these challenges come incredible opportunities. One of the greatest advantages of living in globalized world is the access to diverse perspectives. Students can connect with peers from different cultures and backgrounds through the internet and social media. These global networks allow us to learn from others, share ideas, and collaborate on projects that can have a meaningful impact on society. By embracing this diversity, we can become more open-minded, tolerant, and understanding individuals. Globalization also provides students with opportunities for mobility. We can now study abroad, participate in international internship, or even work remotely for companies based in different countries. This exposure to global experience allows us to develop skills that are highly valued in the job market, such as cross-cultural communications, adaptability, and a global mindset. Moreover, technology has made learning more flexible and accessible than ever before. Online courses, virtual classrooms, and educational apps give students the chance to learn new skills and personal knowledge outside the traditional classrooms. This democratization of education means that students from any corner of the world can access the quality of education, breaking down barriers to learning. So, in conclusion, while globalization presents its share of challenges, it also opens up numerous doors for personal and academic growth. As students, we must not only overcome these challenges, but embrace the opportunities that come with a connected world. By doing so, we can prepare ourselves for a future that is not only successful, but also meaningful in our interconnected global community. That's all from me. Thank you so much for your nice attention. I'm Jan Ilham. Back to you and see you next time.